Hey, this is a review of the Overcooked 2 game for Nintendo Switch. This is a great co-op game where you can play alone, you can play with people sitting in the same room as you, or you can play online with strangers. With this game, you're working as a chef and you're scrambling to get food orders out of the door for the customer. You look at the ingredients at the top and then you go and pick them, whatever you need, the plate and the ingredients, and then you put it on the conveyor belt to take it to the customer. And there's different obstacles that you'll encounter when you're making the meals. Sometimes you have to cook something on the burner and you have to make sure it doesn't burn or the whole kitchen will catch on fire. And a lot of times the meat need to go on a cutting board and you need to chop it up before you can put it on the sandwich. And then you also need to wash dishes in some of the levels. And then sometimes you can leave one platform and go to the other. Basically, you're working together with your teammate to try and make the food as fast as possible. Or you can play this solo and you're working with yourself. And all of the kitchens are going to have different layouts, which makes it interesting when you're trying to make the food because you have to do different things and go in different paths to get the food to the customer. One thing that's new to this game that was not in Overcooked 1 is that you can throw the items. You can toss food to your teammate or just toss it off the platform onto another platform so it's over there when you're ready to cook it. When you're in single player mode, it's less demanding and you can swap between the two cooks. But I will say that this game is much easier played with 2 people or more. When you add in more than 2 people, it kind of becomes difficult because you don't know who's doing what. It's definitely manageable, but it's just a little bit of a challenge. Overall, this is a really fun game no matter how many people are playing.